Eat bird.
Eat bird.
Is it like?
Oh, that.
It's a guinea pig.
Sit down there and talk to the birdie.
Look, talk to the birdie.
Talk to the birdie. Mama's going to take your picture with the bird.
Look at the bird.
Runs right back to it. That is, oh, now it's got.
Look at her.
Let me come over here because the window seems to be a little cleaner. There, talk to the birdie so it'll run over there to you. See, here it comes. There's the birdie.
Okay.
I think the bird. Look, stay down there with the birdie.
See, talk to the birdie.
Talk to the
No, there's no bird there.
Look, he's talking to you.
He's wanting to play. See?
Playing with you.
He wants to play.
What's that?
No, talk to the birdie.
What
so
color
Mom
is the
can
birdie?
So Mom can get a picture.
Who's that?
That's a birdie.